7 common EV problems every electric car driver should know. Electric cars have fewer engine-related parts, but that does not mean they are problem-free. Here are 7 EV issues every driver should know. 1. Range can drop because of cold weather, high speeds, heating, or low tire pressure, not always battery damage. 2. Charging problems may come from the charger, cable, connector, software, or battery temperature. 3. A weak 12-volt battery can stop your EV from starting even when the main battery is charged. 4. EV tires can wear faster because of extra weight and instant torque. 5. Regenerative braking can reduce brake pad wear, but rotors may still rust or corrode. 6. Cooling system or software faults can affect charging, power, and performance. 7. Underbody impacts or flood exposure can damage high-voltage components and require specialist inspection. Know the warning signs, follow your manufacturer's guidance, and use an EV qualified technician for high-voltage repairs.